Hello everyone. Today we shall walk through and see what this Trello app can help in our real time projects or maybe in real time environments. That if someone is handling multiple tasks, how would we use this software to effectively monitor, track, and associate the necessary people resources to work on it. So first thing first, as you see on the screen, we are on the home page. So this home page comprises of boards, templates, home, and we have notification icon and the account who is logged in. Say per se you have a new project, we shall just create a new board, saying as project HS, and let's create board. All right, we are into our project board. So further, if you see this project screen, we have a grid which talks about menu, which starts about saying about this board, who has logged in, just a quick information about the user. Next thing, if there's any background that we'll have to change, if at all, it's based on the user preference. If you'd like to change, yes, we can feel free to change it. What else we have search card. So basically this is tagging. We You can create multiple tags with color codified, or how the way we would like to manage or one would like to manage. And next thing what we have is the stickers. So provide, if you have to put up some intuitive message, yes, we can use the stickers in place. And what else we have in more? Okay, there is settings, labels, archived items, email to board settings, watch, copy board, print and export, close board. All right, so this is the URL for the board. And next we have is the butler. So under butler we see automation tips, which has a set of some more buttons, which is rules, card button, board button, calendar, due date. All right. And further coming down, what else do we have in power ups, sorry. Okay, this again gives the integration to various other applications. It might name it, you have it. So we have analytics, automation, board utilities, communication and collaboration, developer tools, file management, HR operations, IT and project management, marketing and social media, product and design, sales and support. Okay. And further, we have the audit log management, which comprises of this list of activities or whoever has logged in. If there are any amendments that they have done, I think this would show up that particular activities. And now coming to the main screen or our main board, let us see how do we add our or prepare the board. So per se, I will just say milestone 1, milestone 2, milestone 3. All right, so right now in our board we have just created 3 separate columns of saying milestone 1, 2, 3. Let us see how would we be able to set a specific task against each milestones. So say assume I'm going to create a new website from scratch. In that case, I would say first prepare of meeting, add card, then let's say brainstorm ideas, then get feedback from users. Right, let's just stick for 3 and see what else we have under each and every task. So if I click on the pencil symbol, it gives me to add edit labels. Yeah, let me put it as yellow or whichever the color you want. All right, the next change members. So this gives you a list of uh, project owners or task managers, so where you'd be the people.
10 o'clock p.m.
Then moving on, move. If you have to move this particular card from one uh, grid to another grid, yes, that is possible. And next thing is copying the card. All right. And next thing is assigning a due date to the tasks, and by how many days before you would like to set reminder. Yes, that's also possible. All right. Then archive. Okay, I think we have just created a board and just understood what this particular board comprises of and what are the basic features that one can quickly kickstart using the Trello app. I hope this is helpful. Thank you.